2014 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, emergency braking assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, remote keyless entry, electronic brake force distribution, door reinforcement, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, Bluetooth, child safety locks, cruise control, trip computer, power outlets, folding rear seats, power door locks, power windows. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Every Honda is a product of innovative engineering and quality manufacturing. Your dealer performs an exhaustive 150-point mechanical and appearance inspection to ensure that each vehicle meets Honda standards. Only well-maintained Honda models are eligible. Honda certified used cars, so reliable they're certifiable.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.